Hello kabayan, good morning. Ito ang ating Jasmine Townhouse Expanded located sa Richdale West Residences dito sa Barangay Panungyanan, General Trias, Cavite. Napakaganda ang location dahil less than 30 minutes away mula sa key destinations like Tagaytay City. Bukod sa location, ideal din ito for families na naghahanap ng peaceful at preskong environment. Malayo ito sa ingay ng city, mas relax ang paligid pero hindi rin mahihirapan sa access dahil malapit pa rin ito sa main roads at transport options. With minimum lot area of 81 square meter for inner units, may sapat kang space for car parking, may mini garden, or even future expansion. Flexible yan depende sa lifestyle at needs ng family mo. Ang ipapakita natin ay sample ng end unit. For end unit, mas malaki ang lot area, more than 81 square meter yan, depending sa actual cut. Ang advantage nito ay may additional space ka sa gilid ng bahay with direct access to your service area. And this is the actual turnover of our Jasmine Expanded Townhouse. Bare finish siya, but the advantage nito is open ka sa design ng space based on your own style and needs. Hindi rin siya mahirap i-improve dahil simple at functional ang floor layout. May tamang space for your living area, dining area, and kitchen area. Kaya madaling i-plan ang interiors. Equipped na rin ito with sliding windows for a more modern feel and better ventilation. Mas maraming natural light at hangin ang pumapasok sa loob ng bahay. Ang Jasmine ay may 2 toilet and bath, isa sa ground floor at isa sa second floor. Ito yung una. Perfect for added comfort ng homeowners at convenience na rin lalo na kapag may mga bisita. As mentioned kanina, meron itong service area na pwede mong gamitin for kitchen expansion. Kung gusto mo ng mas malaking space or even additional room, depende yan sa needs ng family mo. Dito naman sa second floor, open layout pa rin siya, giving you the freedom to design the space based sa lifestyle mo. May provision for up to 3 bedrooms, perfect for a family of 5 to 6, pero kung mas konti lang kayo, pwede mo na rin siyang gawing 2 bigger rooms for a more comfortable setup. Meron na rin toilet and bath sa taas, kaya hindi mo na kailangang bumaba. Added convenience yan lalo na for everyday use. So kabayan, kung hanap mo ay maluwag, affordable at very accessible na community, check mo ang Jasmine Townhouse, dito lang yan sa Richdale West Residences. Again, available tayo through Pag-ibig Financing with monthly starting at 12,500. Very budget friendly for future homeowners and investors. Limited promo tayo ngayon and enjoy up to 396,000 discount for inner units, valid until end of April only. For more details and site viewing, message me. Also available in Dasmariñas, Cavite. See you kabayan!